Welcome to Zion the Storyteller. Today's story is not a book read aloud. It is about me, Michen and Tuba, my best friends. It is called Learning to Make Domino's Pizza. First, we will have a tour of the restaurant, wash our hands and start making Domino's Pizza. We are going to wear an apron and the chef will give instructions. First, the chef showed us the toppings. Then the chef showed us the freezer where they stored the toppings. It's cold and we can get inside the freezer. And lastly, the chef showed us where they stored their things. We took turns washing our hands. First it was Michen's turn, then it will be Tuba's turn, and lastly it will be my turn. Now it is my turn to wash my hands. First, the chef showed us how she stretched the pizza dough and spread the ketchup. We have flour on the table so the pizza dough doesn't stick to the table. Now it is Michen's turn to stretch the pizza dough and spread the ketchup. Now it is my turn to stretch the pizza dough and spread the ketchup. I will show you the full process. Now I will show you the full process of making Domino's pizza. I will put lots of toppings and put it in the oven. Now I am spreading the sauce. Now I am sprinkling lots of cheese. Now I am putting lots of toppings like mushrooms, pineapple, black olives, red pepper and more. Now I am putting the mushrooms on my pizza and I am trying to make a design. Now I am putting a big mushroom at the bottom. Now I am putting green peppers. Now I am putting halal chicken. I didn't know there was halal chicken. Now I am putting some pineapples. Now I am putting black olives. Now I put red peppers. Now I will add yellow and white cheese. Now my pizza looks very good. Now we are putting it in the oven. Now I learned how to get the pizza out of the oven and I put it in the pizza box. Now I am cutting the pizza with a pizza cutter and I cut the pizza in 4 slices. Now I learned how to fold the pizza box. Now I am going to show you the pictures, and I got a certificate that says I junior pizza maker. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.